Introducing a total solution for masons, bricklayers, and concrete contractors. Makita 5-inch SJS II Angle Grinders with tuck point guards and lower vibration. These angle grinders are equipped with SJS II, a new innovation that features a leaf spring and can gear drive mechanism that's engineered to reduce vibration for smoother and more accurate tuck pointing and concrete crack chasing applications. Both grinders include a 5-inch dust extracting guard for clean and accurate cutting and tuck pointing. The tuck point guard has an easily adjustable depth setting and adjustable depth stops for quick settings. It also has a clear viewing window for improved visibility and a plunge feature for improved dust containment. The grinder is equipped with a 3-part electronic controller with constant speed control, soft start, and an electronic current limiter. What this means is continuous power, longer gear and motor life, and overload motor protection. There's also protection features built inside. Labyrinth construction protects the motor with a complex set of channels, prohibiting dust and contamination from entering the motor. Zigzag epoxy adds another degree of protection, applied to both sides of the armature coil for longer tool life. Makita 5-inch SJS II Angle Grinders with tuck point guards deliver maximum versatility and performance with lower vibration.